Alrighty guys, welcome back to That's Gas Garage. Check this out. My daughter dropped this car here a couple months ago because it wasn't running right. We figured it's got a vacuum leak, so we went and picked up this Solary smoke leak detector, and hopefully it's gonna tell us exactly where it's leaking. So guys, here we go. Let's turn the bad boy on. It's already on, it's got fluid. It's already connected to the hose, so let's see where smoke starts coming out of. Now we just sit around and wait for it. Actually, let's see if it is smoking. Yes. See, smoking. Let's see. I see smoke. Alright, so we already know we have a very big leak. Very big leak. That's a very big leak. Oh my god, it's broke.
What is that?
It's the head air intake. Well, we have a piece of the air intake that is broke. Hopefully that's the only leak it has. So, not leaking over there. Not leaking anywhere else. Well, that's it right there. So guys, this little machine does work. Alright, so we know we have a leak. Let's turn this bad boy off. So we know we have a leak. We already did anticipate that it was going to be in the intake hose somewhere, so we went ahead and bought brand new ones. So now we're gonna go ahead and replace these. So we'll go ahead. The other one's leaking through this little piece here. I just looked at it where it's coming out, and it is broke there, which I would have never been able to tell unless I took it out. But we put that together not too long ago and it wasn't broke. But here we go, guys. We're gonna go ahead and replace them. Alrighty guys, so here's the first piece we are gonna take out. That's this piece right here. Y'all can see this one looks way stretched. I mean, it is old. It's probably been there since the car was new. We did not buy the car new. My daughters bought it as a project. So let's get this piece out. Okay. This piece is actually still good. Maybe we bought them both just in case, because I figured I'm not gonna buy one and then figure out this one was broke, or opposite way, buy this one and then that one was the one that was actually broke like it is right now. So we figured we take them all out. Alrighty, so now as you guys can see that this here has got to come out. Oh my god, I can see the hole now. That is huge. Alright, well, we have to take it off from the actual manifold and this piece up here. So that's what we're about to do. See you guys in 1 second. Alrighty guys, we got the old one out, and look at this, guys. Hello. Guys, that was tore up completely. That's why the car was starting like crap. It wouldn't, I guess the MAF sensor won't work properly with all that extra air coming in. So hopefully that fixes it. We're gonna go ahead and put the other one on, and we're gonna show you if it does run right.